Welcome to IMMRAN'S world. Welcome to IMMRAN'S world. Welcome to IMMRAN'S world. Welcome to IMMRAN'S world. Here is Imran. He thinks he will get these goats because this is small goats, because they are small, but the true thing is that he cannot get them. Imran, toja munjira. Gwe. Saina jango bugobe bukomeo. Welcome to IMMRAN'S world. Welcome to IMMRAN'S world. So Imran is trying to chase the goats, but since they are small, he thinks he will get them, but he will not get them. He will not get them. And we are now going away. We are going back home. We had come to visit together with these children. Imran, 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 Saina, gamba bye, mgambe bye. Imran, genda mlete tugende. Mukwate byampaka. Now there is work of bringing Imran back. Imran, 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 come and say hi. Come and say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Okay. And end of the video. Say bye-bye. 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 End of the video.